Well, right now, we know Benjamin Snodgrass is on administrative leave from the Bentonville Fire Department. We did reach out to him for a comment today, and our ABC affiliate KUTV spoke to the victim tonight.
I spoke English perfectly towards him, and I said, leave me alone. I don't want no trouble. And he still come towards me and assault me.
Liam Nguyen says on March 13th, he was outside of the Oak Lawn Racing Casino in Hot Springs waiting for an Uber when he was approached by Benjamin Snodgrass.
And then he got up, walking towards me and say, your kind of people is not supposed to be here. I'm going to kill you and kill your kind of people.
Nguyen says he walked away, but when he came back, it turned violent. A witness calling 911.
And then he kept on pushing me, grabbed me, so I have to defend myself by hitting him.
4029 News knocked on Snodgrass's door today for a comment, but we did not get a response. But according to police documents, Snodgrass admits to the police on March 13th that he confronted Nguyen about not being American and said nothing had happened. Police say he also smelled of alcohol.
He also told me that I'm not supposed to be here. What is that supposed to mean? I mean, this is the land of the free.
Nguyen says he never thought an incident like this would happen to him. Meanwhile, Bentonville City Mayor Stephanie Orman released this statement today, saying in part, the city of Bentonville does not condone or tolerate any form of discrimination or violence. We will continue our work to make Bentonville an inclusive, safe, and welcoming environment for all. And we did reach out to Snodgrass's attorney for a comment, and we did not hear back. And coming up at 6, the University of Arkansas group is holding a listening and resource session to discuss crimes against Asian Americans from this past year. We're live in Bentonville. I'm Kendall Ashman, 4029 News.